All right, let's talk about our own personal coding playgrounds. Often you will see me write code in 3 different places just to tinker and figure things out to experiment. One is going to be CodePen. We saw that already. That was in the very first lesson, maybe the second lesson, but it was just in codepen.io. And if I open my browser, I can actually go back to codepen.io, and it's just a brand new pen, and you can write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in there. The second option is going to be if I just go to, for example, my website, caleb.io, right-click, inspect, and we'll bring this up. There's elements, console, sources, network, performance, memory, application, lighthouse, security, etc., etc. Go to console. And I'm just on any page. You can see my favicon actually doesn't exist. It's showing me an error. This is really good. It's actually a great example. An accidental example, but a great example. This is showing me that I don't have a favicon. It's responding with a 404, missing image or missing resource. But in here, I could say console.log, hello. And it shows up with hello. I could do console.error, uh-oh. And it says, uh-oh. Now, that's the second place. So the second place is going to be right in the console, and that's right on the page. It gives you access to all the JavaScript that could be written in place number 3, which is in VS Code. In VS Code, you can write a brand new either .js file, or you can write JavaScript inside of a script. We'll talk more about this in just a little bit, but there's 2 places inside of VS Code or inside of your editor where you can write your JavaScript. So you're going to see me write JavaScript in one of these 3 places throughout this course. That is A-okay, it doesn't really matter which one. They're all sort of the same. If you just want something nice and quick, I like to use CodePen. Just hop on CodePen, click new pen. You can write your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript immediately. You don't have to worry about editors or writing your code and then loading it up in your browser, things like that. It just sort of does all that extra work for you. Next up, let's talk about JavaScript syntax. What does it look like? And we're going to get a brief overview of what it looks like, and we're going to dive into some complex things right away. Don't worry, I'm not going to get you to actually do any of the complex things right away. We're just going to talk about some of the JavaScript syntax, how it looks when we write it.